Nutritional benefits of pineapple to keep in mind for your health. Pineapple and its nutritional virtues. Properties and benefits of pineapple on health. The power of pineapple on our health. In this video, you will learn that pineapple is a tropical fruit and is offered all year in our supermarkets. Coming from South America, it could be cooked as well in desserts as in sweet and savory dishes. Rich in vitamins and minerals, it brings a multitude of health benefits. What are the benefits of pineapple juice for your body? Here are the nutritional benefits of pineapple to keep in mind for your health. 1. Pineapple juice against bony wounds and torn ligaments. Ligaments are connective tissues used to support the tendons. They allow a good articulation between the tissues and the bones. During physical exercise, sports, the ligament can tear. It can be either a sprain, less serious, or larger tears resulting, for example, difficulties walking, bruising, swelling. 2. It can be used for the bone lesions, for the fractures, and for the broken bones. Bromelain, an enzyme used medically since the 19th century to reduce pain, bruising in case of fracture or rupture of ligaments. Not only does it help to relieve pain, it also acts in the process of total healing, recovery of ligaments or bones involved. When you eat pineapple juice, you consume a good amount of bromelain, which allows you to heal faster. As such, the Medical Research Center of the University of Maryland in the United States shows the importance of bromelain in post-surgical cures and fractures. A study conducted in 2002 also showed the important role of bromelain in the treatment of joint pain. Whether at the knee or the arm, it does not matter the area concerned. 3. Protecting your bones. In addition to providing complete healing in case of fractures, pineapple juice is a juice to strengthen your bones. For younger children, pineapple juice will help the bones grow better. For the elderly, it helps to keep the bones and prevent bone diseases from developing. 4. Pineapple against cardiovascular disease. 20 grams of pineapple carry about 40 milligrams of potassium, which is important enough for the daily needs. Potassium is a mineral that prevents and effectively fight against cardiovascular disease. It is a juice that you can drink in case of hypertension. Thanks to its high concentration of potassium and vitamin C, the prevention of hypertension is possible. Pineapple juice is good for the health of your heart. 5. Against sinusitis. By consuming pineapple juice regularly, you consume good amounts of bromelain. Indeed, pineapple juice fluidizes the mucus and reduces the pain caused during attacks. It also helps reduce the terrible headaches and all sorts of side effects of sinusitis. A study published in the medical journal, Cellular and Molecular Life Sciences, in the USA shows that bromelain is very effective in the treatment of sinusitis. It substantially reduces the effects of the pains and other associated with it. 6. Protection of teeth and gums. Its high concentration of vitamin C helps strengthen your teeth and gums. 7. Pineapple juice against sore throat. It will make you happy to know that such a tasty juice can treat sore throats quickly. 8. Against digestive problems. Wondering how pineapple can help your digestion? With its bromelain enzyme, pineapple juice breaks down proteins to help digest food faster. Faced with bloating, belching and others, pineapple juice is your perfect ally to overcome your digestive problems. Pineapple juice is also a dewormer. It effectively fights intestinal worms. If you have worms, do not hesitate to consume each morning. It is also advisable to give regularly to young children to deworm them regularly. Pineapple juice is good for your daily health. Buy mostly ripe pineapple, yellow, to make your juices. In fact, the greens are not yet mature and their tastes are rather sour. Vermifuge, digestive, anti-inflammatory, pineapple juice contains real virtues for your health. This is one of the best nutritional benefits of pineapple to keep in mind for your health. 9. Soothes often painful menstruation. According to scientific observations, the bromelain contained in the pineapple stem has a soothing effect on the cervix during menstruation. The pineapple thus preserves many women, excruciating pains almost customary during their period. For this, pineapple drinks are referred to as the faithful companions of women subject to painful menstruation. 10. Preserves the body of cancer. Thanks to the bromelain present in the pineapple stem, the body effectively fights the swollen cells that cause cancer, especially colon cancer and breast cancer. 11. Losing weight naturally with pineapple. It is common to hear that pineapple is a great companion in weight loss programs, when it is only part of our diet. To lose weight, nothing better than a food burns fat such as pineapple. Indeed, the consumption of pineapple would quickly burn lipids present even in inaccessible areas of the body, thanks to bromelain. It is in this context that for dieting it is recommended a great nutrition pineapple. Although so far, no scientific study has yet been able to demonstrate the impact of pineapple in the elimination of fat. So do not just eat pineapple to expect a noticeable loss of fat. In addition, run, jump, move to make it easier. However, eating pineapple helps to get a flat stomach naturally, by reducing bloating. So for those who love snacking, replace your chips with homemade pineapple slices. The different varieties of pineapple. There are many varieties of pineapple. On the market, we usually find 5 varieties: Victoria, Queen, Caribbean, Abacaxi and Cayenne. The different varieties are distinguished by their size, the color of the bark and the flavor of their flesh. Pineapple is also grown for its high bromelain content. In addition to its therapeutic uses, this enzyme has many industrial uses ranging from tenderizing meat to leather tanning, including the stabilization of latex paints. In addition, from the leaves of certain varieties selected for this purpose, fibers are obtained for making rope, nets, baskets, as well as fine papers and textiles. If you have any particular question concerning the nutritional benefits of pineapple to keep in mind for your health, please leave a comment below. To learn more about how to lose weight, please click some links below this video. We really hope you got some value from this video. Please like it, leave a comment below, and share it with your friends. Also, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and activate the notification bell so that you won't miss our next videos. Thank you.